The Buffalo Fork is a major tributary of the Snake River and probably the best tributary for catching large trout. The best portion is the upper half, starting from Black Rock Creek up to the North and South
Here he
Forks.
is.
Downstream of Turpin Meadows Campground, the Buffalo meanders through a broad valley. Here, the stream bed is entirely gravel with a steady current and an occasional downed tree. Braided channels are common. There are many miles of good habitat in the Buffalo Fork that are lightly fished. Anything is possible out here.